the same gender doing the deed, right? So the same gender doing the deed. The deed, yes, it is natural, right? But not for the same gender, is it? No. In the Bible, we see in Sodom and Gomorrah, God destroying people that were doing the deed, that were same gender. So the devil perverted what was right, made it all wrong. And now people, when they are doing it, their consciousness is dead because lust kills or numbs your consciousness. What is wrong feels right and it feels natural. Are you with me, somebody? All right. So that was basically my example. So now I want us to look at the difference between lust and love. Because now someone will be asking questions. How do I differentiate between the two, between lust and love?